Good morning, this is Rachel Ariana and thank you so much for watching my video today. Today you are in my kitchen with me again. I am going to clean my fridge. So I'm a little bit embarrassed to show you guys what my fridge looks like, but this is long overdue. So it's time to just clean out some leftovers that are in there, just get things pulled out of there. I don't even know, I have some things in there that I know are expired that need to be just thrown in the garbage, and just get the fridge overall wiped down, clean, and organized. So let me go ahead and take you into my fridge.
Okay, so as we go into my fridge, you can clearly see that it is pretty much a mess in there. I have leftovers that have been in there for quite a while. My condiments are just everywhere, some on the door, some shoved on the shelves. Just really, there's no rhyme or reason to where things are placed. It's just put in there wherever we could find space. Also, I know that I have some expired things in the fridge as well that need to be cleaned out. So I'm actually looking forward to tackling this job. First things first, it's time to start clearing out the fridge. Now that the fridge has been cleared, I pulled out all of the shelves and the drawers and am washing them with dish soap in the sink. That way I can truly get each of them clean. The fridge that we have is really nice because most of the shelves can be pulled out and washed by hand. It's actually pretty great. Now that all the shelves and drawers are clean, it's time to place them back in the fridge and get my items back inside and organized. I don't know if I'm the only one that likes to do this. Let me know if you do the same thing, but it grosses me out when the tops of the condiment bottles get like the dried goopy stuff on the top, like for example the ketchup. I always rinse them off periodically, especially like if I am cleaning out the fridge and organizing my items. Let me know if you do the same thing. It always makes me like breathe a sigh of relief whenever I see the fruit of my labor, with everything being clean and organized after having such a grimy, dirty, disorganized fridge. Now I'm going to be moving on to the meat and cheese drawer next. there, I love this fridge because pretty much everything pulls out so you can truly clean it. And the meat and cheese drawer, the entire drawer just lifts out so it can be really clean. So FYI, if you're looking for a fridge, get one where all the shelves and all of the drawers can be pulled out. It's just so convenient. I wanted to stop here and just point out that we have a lot of cheese, and the reason for that is my husband loves cheese. All of that middle top drawer as well as the side there is cheese. I don't know what to do. It's kind of funny or how to organize it because it's just cheese. My husband loves it. He's like a cheese connoisseur. He even wakes up in the morning. First thing in the morning before he has his coffee, he eats cheese. Anyway, I don't know if there's anyone else out there that's like that or whose loved ones eat cheese on that level. If so, let me know.
Thank you for coming along with me into my kitchen and cleaning my fridge. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.